Hey guys, welcome to this week's art video. Again, I put off working on the Manananggal, so this is just another one-off piece. This weekend I went to the beach for my friend's bachelorette party, and after getting home, it was kind of tough to get back into the work headspace again, and I feel like you can pretty much tell with this piece. Obviously, I was still not over being at the beach, and as I was doodling, I started adding random beachy elements to the drawing, like a sun hat, and then a beach bag, and some glasses that reflect the beach. After I started adding that stuff, I thought that this could be a pretty cute little summertime drawing. It took me a few sketches, but I finally settled on a pose that worked. So I don't really have much more to say about this piece, so I think I'll let the music play out for the rest of the video while I sit back and daydream about lounging around on the beach some more.
Nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. Backlash written on me, card rubbing on the dashboard. I've been balling, bring my ladies in, counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. coming down, I'm already out. Come in this store. In this store. We're going up. We're going under. And there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go down red. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. In this story, we're going under. There's nothing we can do. Already on the compound, I'ma set it right. Already on the compound, I'ma set it right. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. In this story.
And here she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this piece. Make sure to subscribe and like if you did, and I'll see you guys next week.